Hi there and welcome back to my channel, Full Stack Explorers. Today we will integrate our product page. We will use Json-Placeholder's API to integrate our product page as we don't have admin panel or something else like a page to add products. Usually in e-commerce sites, the admin add products from admin panel, and we will integrate and show products from that API to our e-commerce site. Alright, let's get started now. Open a new tab. Type for Json-Placeholders and press Enter. Click on first link. Scroll down a bit. Here they explain how we can use the APIs. When to use Json-Placeholder's APIs. Json-Placeholder is a free online REST API that you can use whenever you need some fake data. It can be in a README on GitHub, for a demo on Code Sandbox, in code examples on Stack Overflow, or simply to test things locally. Here we have resources. They provide different types of APIs here. They have Post API data. Click on it. As you can see, the Post API data look like this. In our example, we will use /photos API. This API data contains some random pictures as our project too, so we will utilize that for now. Copy that link from above. Before moving forward, I want to show you guys for API calling we use Axios from deno. It is similar to Axios in Node.js. If you type on Google, Axios deno, the first link will show the resources and usage of it in deno. Alright, let's get back to our project now. Go to Routes folder. In that folder, go to Products page, which we created in our last videos. Import the Axios on top, which we will use to fetch data. Alright, now I will create a method with the name of getProducts, which will be asynchronous, and in that method we will use try_catch. In catch block, show error on console. In try block, I'll create a variable name response. This will be equal to await Axios.get. In the get method, I will paste the link which we copied from Json-Placeholder site. Now I'll add console below to check what we are getting here. Also, don't forget to call the method below. Now, as it's a server-side, the console data will show in VS Code as we are showing console to server-side file, not client-side. If you guys want to know more, please do check out my previous series where I have explained everything. Here, as you can see, we have the data now. Alright, as we will show that data to client-side, let's create a new folder in our island folder. I'll name the folder Show Products and create a new file called index.tsx. Create a default method here with same name. Now get back to product page file. Create div here, in this div called the Show Products component here. Alright, now cut the JSX code we have in products page and paste it in Show Products file which we made. Alright, now cut the method code from above and paste it in the Show Products file. Import the Axios to Show Products file too. Now create a state above with the name of products, and the initial value will be an empty array. Remove the console from getProducts method and set products with response.data. Add a console below to check we are getting products in client side too. Above console, let's make a use effect. This effect will call our getProducts method whenever the component will render. Now check the changes in the browser now. Click on Products page and open the Inspect tool. Click on Console. As you can see, we have all the data now which we are getting from an API. In the next video, we show products to the UI. That's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy coding!